Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Capital One account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to log into your Capital One account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in capital1.com like this and hit enter, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of Capital One. And you can see over here you'll be required to enter your username over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then click on sign in to log into your Capital One account from your computer. Or if you have forgotten your username or password of your Capital One account, simply click on forgot username or password link available over here to go through a procedure to reset your username or password depending upon which one you lost. Or if you have not yet created an account on Capital One, simply click on set up online access to go through a procedure to create an account on Capital One. And there guys, this is how you log into your Capital One account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.